Hi, this is Ru from Ether. We're now arrived at Shenzhen Xintaixin handbag company. Established in 2009, it is a professional manufacturer integrating development, R&D, production, and sales. Our company is located in Shenzhen, China. Let's go and see it. This is their office room. We can provide customers with all kinds of fashionable mommy bags, cigarette ash bags, environment travel, VR packing accessory, cosmetic bags, virus brand, backpacks, canvas bags, and all kinds of sewing packing products.
Our materials preparation team is cutting bright quality panels with minimum waste to lower costs.
We have experienced staff who can reply customers' requirements at any time and ensure that the samples of customers are perfected until the customer are satisfied.
After more than 15 years of continuous development and growth, Xintaixin has become a leader in China's handbag industry and has a certain international reputation. At present, Xintaixin has more than 1,000 square meters of factory and more than 200 employees, including senior technical research and development teams and professional sales teams. This is silk printing area. In order to meet the requirements of our customers, we have a professional production team that strictly requires quality control.
With decades of experience, our artisans master the fine art of sewing to create beautiful bags with passion and care.
Packing is the last but also important work. Our staff is packing the bags per client's request.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.